Welcome to the Python tutorial lecture 4 Basic Operator. In previous lecture we saw what is a variable and how to assign value to the variable in Python. In this lecture we will see what is a operator and type of the operator and how to use the operator in Python. Let's see what is a operator. Operator are the construct which can manipulate the value of the operands. Consider the expression 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Here 1 and 6 called operands and plus is called operator. There are 7 basics operator used in Python. First one is arithmetic operator, second is comparison operator, third is assignment operator, fourth is logical operator, fifth is bitwise operator, sixth is membership operator, and seventh is identity operator. Now let's see the operator one by one and see how we can use the operator in Python. First one is arithmetic operator. There are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent, and floor division operator comes under arithmetic operator. Now let's take an example of the different arithmetic operators in idle cell. Here a is equal to 10, assign the first variable, and b is equal to 5, assign the value to the second variable. If we perform addition operation, we just have to simply write a plus b. It will perform the addition operation. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. The same way a minus b will perform the subtraction operation, means 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. The same way the multiplication operator, here we use the asterisk sign for the multiplication. A into b means 10 into 5 is equal to 50. The division operator, we have to write a divided by b, that perform 10 divided by 5, and the remainder will be the 2. The same way the modulus operator, a modulus of b means 10 modulus of 5. Here the answer will be the 0 because it has no remainder when, because 10 is totally divided by the 5. Now the exponent operator, a exponent b means here 10 raised to the power of 5. The same way the floor division operation, the operand, the result will be the quotient a floor division of b, 10 of the floor division of the 5, the answer will be the 2. Here you can see the a division of b and a floor division of b, the answer will be the same, so you can't compare here. So what is the difference between the division operator and the floor division operator? So that let's take that another example. Take the value of a is equal to minus 4.33 and second variable b is equal to 2. When you take a division operation, a divided by b, the answer will be a minus 2.16665. When you perform floor division operation, a floor division of b means minus 4.3333 floor division by 2. The answer will be a minus 3.0. So here you can see there is a difference between the division operator and the floor division operator. In the floor division, the digits after the decimal points are removed, but if one of the operand is negative, the result is floored, means rounded away from the 0. Now let's take a second operator, comparison operator. In comparison operator, there are equal operator, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than equal, and less than equal operator comes under comparison operator. Now let's take an example of comparison operators. A is equal to 7 assigned to the first value to the variable a, and b is equal to 5. Now if we perform the equal operator, a equal b means 7 is equal to 5, the answer will be the false because the two operands are not equal here, so answer will be the false. If we perform a is not equal to the b, then answer will be true because 7 is not equal to the 5. And now a is greater than b, here 7 is greater than 5, so condition is true, so answer will be the true. If a less than b, 7 is less than 5, so it is not true answer, so answer will be the false. Now we perform greater than equal and less than equal operator. A is greater than equal to b means 7 is greater than equal to 5. Of course 7 is greater than 5, so answer will be the true. If a is less than equal to b, 7 is less than equal to 5, 7 is not less than 5, so answer will be the false. Here if we see how the greater than equal and less than equal operator works, we will take another example. In that we will assign a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 10. If we perform a is equal to b, then answer will be 2 because 10 is equal to 10. If we perform a is greater than equal to b, 10 is greater than equal to b, so answer will be the 2. The same way it happened in a less than equal to b. Now let's take the third operator, assignment operator. In that assignment operator, there are equal operator, addition equal, subtraction equal, multiplication equal, and division equal operator. Now let's take the example of that one by one. First we have to assign the value in the ideal cell. A is equal to 10 and b is equal to 7. If we perform a simple addition, c is equal to a plus b means 10 plus 7, so answer will be stored in the c value is equal to 17. If we perform addition equal operator, c addition equal to a, what is the meaning of that? C is equal to c plus a. Here the c value will be the 17 plus 10 means 27. Now the c has 27. If we perform subtraction equal operator, c subtraction equal to a, meaning of that c is equal to c minus a. Here c is 27 minus 10, the answer will be the 17. The same way c multiplication is equal to a means c is equal to c multiplied by a. Here c is 17 multiplied by 10, so answer will be the 117. The same way the floor c divided by a is equal to means c is equal to c divided by a. Here what is the value of the c? Here c is 170 and value of a is 10. 170 divided by 10, the answer will be the 17. Now let's take the next assignment operator is modulus equal operator. In that, here the a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. If we perform modulus equal operator here, c is equal to c modulus of a. What is the meaning of that? 15 modulus of 10. Answer will be the 5. Now perform the power operation, the power equal operator. C is equal to C star star A means C power of A. Here the value of the C is 5. 5 raised to 10. The power will be the C. Now let's take C is equal to 20.23 for the floor division operator. C is equal to C floor division of A. Here C is equal to 20.23 divided by E. The answer will be the 2. The floor operation will be happy. Now let's take a logical operator. There are three basically logical operators: AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. If the both operands are true, then condition become true. If any of the two operands are non-zero, then condition become true in OR operator. And NOT operator used to reverse logical state of its operand. Now fifth operator is bitwise operator. In bitwise operator there are binary AND operator, binary OR operator, binary XOR operator, binary ones complement, binary left shift operator, and binary right shift of the operator. Now let's take an example in ideal cell. A is equal to 10. Here we write also the binary of the 10 in comments. 10 is equal to 1010, which represent binary form of the 10, and B is equal to 12, and binary form of the 12 is 1100. Now we performs binary AND operator. A and B means we have to perform AND operation between 10 and 12. The answer will be stored in C is equal to 8. If you want to see the binary output of the C, that will be the 1000 of the ending operation of 10 and 12. Now take binary OR operation. D is equal to A and B. The answer will be the 14. If you want to see that answer in binary form, you have to write bin in small bracket D, so you can see that answer in binary form. The same way, ones complement happen. If you want to shift the binary, you can use less than equal to sign for the left shift. A less than is equal to 2. That so answer will be the 40. The binary of the 40 is 101000. So what is the value of A here? First of all is 10. 1010. So 1010 will be the shifted left by 2. So answer will be the 40. The same way as the right shift. A is greater than equal to 2. Means A, what is A here? A is 1010. That will be the shifted right by 2 position. So it will be the answer will be the 2. Only 10 will be there. Now let's see the membership operator. There are two operators in membership: in operator and not in operator. In operator, the value is true if it find the variable is specified in the sequence and false otherwise. In not in operator, the true if it does not find variable in the specified sequence and false otherwise. Let's take an example in the ideal cell of the membership operator. X is equal to 1 and Y is equal to list of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. When you write x in y, the answer will be the true. 1 is in y, so answer is true. If we change the value of x is equal to 7, then you perform x in y, so means 7 in that y of here, 7 is not in the list of y, so answer will be the false. If x is not in y, the answer will be the true, because 7 is not in the list of y. Now let's take the seventh operator, is identity operator. There are two operators, is operator and is not operator. Let's take the example of the identity operator in idle cell. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, list of the numbers. When you perform x is y, definitely 1 is not equal to the list of y, so answer will be the false. If you write x is not y, then answer will be the true, because here 1 is not equal to the list of y. Now let's take the second example. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. When you perform x is y, the answer will be the true, because 1 is equal to 1 is there. And when x is not y, the answer will be the false. That's all for the today's lecture. In next lecture, we will discuss about the number system in Python. Thank you.